we've actually gotten a version of one of those students who was present last night when these slogans were chanted. And Times Now has spoken to the student and they have admitted that Modi Shah ki kabar khudegi slogans were indeed raised, and however has claimed that those were metaphorical slogans. Listen in.
एक स्लोगन ये भी लगाया कि कबर खुदेगी, मोदी शाह की कबर खुदेगी. कैन यू प्लीज एलैबोरेट ऑन दैट एज वेल?
मेटाफोरिकल स्लोगन है कि मोदी शाह जिस आइडियोलॉजी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, संघवाद की आइडियोलॉजी को जो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, सावरकर गोलवरकर की जो आइडियोलॉजी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, हम उस आइडियोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं.
बट डोंट यू थिंक दैट कैन बी टेकन आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट? अगर
All right, so Isha was there who spoke to that student. Isha, last night when you spoke to that student, she has justified it, saying that this was a metaphorical slogan and not a literal one. But people will interpret this as being a call to violence when you ask for someone's grave to be dug, quite literally.
Right, Madhav, these are the questions that I posed to this particular student as to about why were these particular slogans raised, and if they were raised, what was the intent behind this? And she clarified that it was only a metaphorical slogan and they didn't actually mean it. However, this has completely blown up, and of course a lot of politics is also peeking over it. But again, JNU is infamous for things like these, Madhav. And what happened yesterday was that it was a protest that they had called to commemorate the 5 years of what they call an attack on them when what they say that goons came and attacked them in campus. So they were protesting, and they were also protesting against against the bail that was denied.
All right, Isha, thanks so much for getting us that exclusive input.